Today is Saturday, October 11th, and I am here. I'm going to harvest some chayote, but just checking out the status of these mango. Whoa, still looks green. Hasn't turned color yet, but it's big. It's a big fruit. Still green. And then pineapple still looking small, but a couple of new crowns developed, so that's good. I'll have more for planting next year. And then this one here is looking good. Let's see. This one, a couple more mangoes on this tree. Thank you, Savoy. And then another mango right there, hidden in there. Oh, this one looks ripened, so I think I need to pick this one now. Let's see. Yep, it's ready. It is ready. And this one, it looks, I think should be ready too. Yeah, I think it's developing color. I mean the bubble, little bubble. That means it's ready. So I don't want it to eat it too ripe, because this mango, I think when it's too ripe, it's overripe, it has a nasty taste. So there you go. And this is my one and only pumpkin for this year. We grew it. So give me a fruit, a pumpkin. And then this here. Oh, look at that. Look at all the aphids. I'll worry about that later. So coming up next for harvest would be the dragon fruits. So I think the dragon fruits, they develop really fast. The fruits, from flower to fruits, it's like about a month, while the mango takes several months. And oh yes, I am out here to pick. Oh, it's funny. Look at this. Okay, this is a what is it? Pomegranate. This pomegranate is flowering right now. It's crazy. But I'm here trying to pick these chayote. So there are quite a lot here. Let's see. This one. I don't want it to be too old, because it gets tough. But when you pick them young, they're like sweet. I think they're sweeter. As they get older, it just, it's not quite as sweet. Plus, it's really difficult to like hold the fruit because of the thorns, the little thorny spikes here. Those will get really, harden up, and it can poke my hands. It can hurt you really well. And then this is my, what is it? Sapote, white sapote. I lost all the leaves and trying to air layer it, but doesn't seem like I'm having success with it at all right now. Okay, let's see. So harvesting all this chayote. Okay, let's see. Because what happened is the rats like to eat it too. Somehow they've been eating all the baby fruits, and then those are my pomegranates that I have to basically protect because the rats goes after them too. So I'll just leave it here for now. So the mandarins, this is honey mandarin. It's coming along, and see, this seems to work because I'm not getting any missing. All the fruits are not going missing at all. Because in the past, it would just get eaten or disappeared. So now, I've been saving these plastic pots for this. So you can see some of the fruits are pretty big. See? Oh, that's a big one up there. You see that one? There is a big one. Big mama. So I saw the pomegranates at Costco. It's pretty expensive. They're like $3-4 each, but their fruits are huge. So are mine. Mine gets really big too. Like it's humongous too. But anyway, today is just picking chayote. I'm waiting for the dragon fruits, and this is the pink guava from seed. Pink guava, first year. And oh, it looks like, see the chayote here, all the baby fruits. I saw some baby fruits up there, and then the rats must have been going after them. So rats are going after all the baby chayote fruits. And let's see, I think I saw some more chayote in here. Oh, see, big one right there. That's a big one right there. Climbing on all my trees, which is good. See? Yeah. And then, see where else? See, I spotted. Oh yeah, up there. See, that one I'm gonna let it go to seed. So next year. Okay, so this is the Malika mango I picked a couple days ago. And I put it in the fridge, and it tastes really good after you put it in the fridge. So this one has a really good smell too. It just came off the tree, so I'll save that for later. But this one, I ate it already. It tastes just like honey. So let's see. So I let it sit for a few days outside, and I put it into the fridge. And it has a really good honey taste to it. It tastes better when you put it in the fridge for some reason. I don't know why, but the flavor, it's just really good. And again, it does taste like honey, sweet and fiberless. It just melts in your mouth, basically. It's like eating Kobe beef, and it just melts in your mouth. So let's see. Has a very distinct taste to it. Now, at first, I didn't like the taste. I gave it to my other family, and they didn't like it either, the taste. But my mom likes it. She loves this mango. And I start to like the taste of the mango now. Oh. It's completely different than the one that you buy from the store, the flavor. This one has more like a honey. It doesn't have the same flavors of the store-bought one where it has a bit of a, like a, you know, turpentine-ish. It's more like honey taste to it. And it has no fiber at all. That's the one thing I like about eating this mango is you don't have to worry about getting the fiber stuck in your teeth, you know? See? It just has no fiber. And the seed is not that big. Pretty small seed.